Step 2 of the escrow process is disclosure time. Your transaction coordinator, your TC, will be reaching out shortly with a full disclosures package, and don't worry, you're not just going to be given some blank pages and asked to think of anything you can throughout the entire time you've owned the home that could be pertinent information. There are going to be plenty of questions asked and boxes to check so that you're properly disclosing the buyer about all material facts regarding your home. If you're unsure about whether or not to fill something out or to disclose something on the paperwork, we always like to err on the side of caution. We've already got an excited buyer ready and willing to take this property off your hands, and there are very rare occasions where something from your seller's disclosure package scares someone off. But on the other side of the coin, there are times when hiding something from a buyer could result in pretty negative consequences. The main thing to remember when filling out the disclosure package is to be thorough but brief. If you've got to say something about a hole in a wall, you don't need to say it's a big hole or a small hole. Let's not be subjective with our disclosure package. Let's be factual, and that's it. So simply say hole in wall. If you've got any questions about anything on this seller's disclosure package, your first point of contact will be your TC, and if there's any difficulties there, of course, I'm always here for you.